Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. And on today's video I will be discussing the Bitcoin price action, where we have been just breaking through this critical level of resistance on the top side here on the 1 hourly downtrend that we were creating. But right now, on the exact time of recording, like you can see over here, we closed a 1 hourly candle above it, and we're right now retesting it as support. What is of course extremely bullish for the Bitcoin imminent short term here. As well, we're going to discuss the Bitcoin 4 hourly trend, where we are still in this downward sloping parallel channel. Will we be still getting supported by the lower side, and will we be see of course this breakthrough through this critical level of the middle of the parallel channel? As well, we're going to discuss the Bitcoin dominance still trading in this ascending triangle, what could be leading, of course, to another breakdown here, what could be leading towards, of course, the Bitcoin dominance searching back towards the 39%. As well, I'm going to go over the Ethereum valuation, where we have been seeing, of course, the falling wedge breaking out here, and we have been successfully got a retest of it, and I will be, of course, approaching all the levels that I will be looking forward towards to accumulate my position and, of course, to drive it towards higher prices. So, if this sounds interesting for you, make sure to right away smash up these likes, guys. Let's go for 250 likes on this video, and if we can smash it up to that level, guys, I will be for sure uploading another video about maybe a different altcoin here on the channel. So make sure to go below the video right now and smash it up, because it's only taking a few seconds of your time. So with this out of the way, guys, let me go right away into the video, and let me start off with discussing the Bitcoin 1 hourly candles. So yeah, you can see over here, we have been forming a clear downward slope resistance line, and since right now, on the time of recording, we broke through it and we are retesting it as support. What is of course quite bullish. We're clearing previous resistance, and we're even showing the significance that this previous resistance target could be retested as support if we're going to break above it. So I do feel quite bullish about it right now, and you could also see over here that we have been starting to create an upward sloping support line, what is also showing quite a lot of significance with already over 5 touch points. So you could even approach this breakout as a symmetrical triangle breakout, and that could be leading towards a price surge towards the 33.6k here. So that is already a target that I will be looking out for on Bitcoin. But personally, I'm more approaching this breakthrough of this level here as, okay, this could be leading towards a trend reversal, since we're finally breaking the downtrend on the 1 hourly candles. Right now, the next job that we have to be doing here is set a higher high than the previous high, and we could be, of course, looking for a very healthy trend towards the upside. So looking forward towards it, where we will be ending, and I definitely don't think that we're right now in a bad scenario. So as well, if I'm going to remove all the drawings for a second, you could be as well look at a different channel that we're right now trading on, because literally on the 1 hourly candles, guys, we're trading against a resistance box here on the top side, like you can see over here. Let me enable this resistance box real quickly, because this resistance box has been providing us several times massive amounts of resistance, and you could even look at an ascending triangle or so. It depends on how you're going to approach it. But yeah, on the lower time frames, you can clearly see there is one level that we have to be breaking, and that is the horizontal level here of the 32.3k here. And as soon as we're once again going to see some 30-minute candles close above that level, I do expect personally to see as well some more volatility getting created here on the 1 hourly candles, where we could be, of course, move even higher if we're going to see the breakthrough on that candle. So that's still a thing yet to remain to be seen here. As well, from enabling some momentum indicators, I'm currently seeing on the MACD, we're still forming higher lows here. The highs are not necessarily forming higher highs yet here, but we have been as well not set at higher high in the price chart. So currently the trend on the MACD is looking quite healthy. On the RSI as well, nothing special playing out on the 1 hourly candles. So let me move on to the 4 hourly candles, and let me discuss a little bit further about this significant chart here. So let me right away enable the email ribbon, and as you can see here, I enabled the email ribbon, and you can see right away that there is a lot of significance due to all the touches we got with the email ribbon here. So you can see top side rejected several times there. And right now, of course, since we're having another retest of it, and since we're trading against the email ribbon, I do want to remain a little bit careful. I do want to be remaining a little bit cautious, since this is the level that we first have to be breaking through in order for me to be a little bit more bullish on Bitcoin. So let's see how this will be breaking through. Of course, as well, if we're disabling the email ribbon, you could be clearly looking at this parallel channel. You can see the middle line of the parallel channel is a very significant level that you have to be breaking through. And you can see several times we found very good support on it over here. We found very good resistance over here, support. And right now, of course, we found resistance for the past 3 touches. So yeah, right now I do expect to see a breakthrough of it if we're going to see another touch of it, because the more times we're going to touch these certain levels of resistance or support, the more likely it will be that we're going to as well see a breakthrough of it. So will be, of course, extremely important to see this breakthrough as well coming in here, because the parallel channel is, of course, the current trend that Bitcoin is in here, and it is clearly how it is looking right now, and it will be extending it a little bit ever so slightly here, and you could be clearly seeing, okay, we can be trading maybe in this pattern for, yeah, even longer here, and we could be still maybe trade on the 30k and still trade in this pattern. So hopefully we will be seeing a breakout anytime soon here, and for me, this is the 4-hourly trend, so a breakout through the upside is, of course, extremely bullish. A breakdown will be extremely bearish. We will be, of course, looking at the next major move that Bitcoin is going to create with this parallel channel. So let me see as well the Bitcoin dominance, because I've been talking about the Bitcoin dominance quite a lot here on the channel. The Bitcoin dominance, of course, very important. Ascending triangle, have been already warning you guys about it maybe 4 or 5 days ago here, but for sure ascending triangle, very bearish bias pattern in this significant scenario, since we have been starting a downtrend and we usually go towards the direction where the trend is basing towards. So yeah, let's see how this will be ending, because personally I do expect to see the Bitcoin dominance increasing ever so slightly from the 44.5%, like I told everyone before. Maybe we're going to see another touch of the 48% before really going to move down here. It will be only adding more significance to this channel, so I'm looking forward towards where we are going to head towards, and especially as soon as we're going to break this upward sloping support line, guys, I will be looking for lower targets. So if I look to this ascending triangle, I will be looking at, of course, to measure the price target from the high towards the low. And if I'm measuring it from the breakout point, of course, it depends where we're going to see a breakdown or a breakout here. It depends on which time it is. But yeah, it could be leading once again towards the 39.9% getting reached here in the Bitcoin dominance. What could be, of course, leading towards a lot of volatility in the altcoins and a lot of gains to be made here in the altcoins. So yeah, there's approximately 15% move towards the downside. And if we're talking about these low cap gems here, this could be maybe meaning that we're going to see 10 to 20 X's. So make sure that you are prepared in the cryptocurrency space here. I do think it's a good time to accumulate right now some altcoins. So yeah, let's see how it will be resulting, of course. So let me as well go further into the Ethereum valuation to wrap up this video here. So Ethereum, of course, have been forming a beautiful falling wedge here. We have been seeing the breakout of the falling wedge here, and we've been even seeing some touch points coming in here. So the falling wedge is looking quite healthy for the Ethereum valuation here. So yeah, we have been seeing a breakout towards the upside. Unfortunately, yesterday we corrected ever so slightly due, of course, Bitcoin correcting, and of course we all know that Ethereum is going to follow by then. So let's see how this will be ending, of course, as well for enabling the email ribbon. You can see clearly we have not been breaking through it yet here, and we do still want to be seeing this breakthrough, because the email ribbon as well, not only on Bitcoin, providing resistance. So approximately already 6 times here. Personally, I do want to be seeing the breakthrough of this level in order to, of course, see Ethereum climbing a little bit further towards the upside. But already seeing the breakout of the falling wedge here, bullish bias pattern, could be signifying still a major move here towards the upside. Personally, I've been accumulating already my long positions, and this could be still another 25% trade towards the upside. I've been accumulating my long positions. I've been accumulating my spot account for Ethereum, because I will be not missing out on the next rally that Ethereum is going to create, and buying Ethereum for $1,900 is very, very cheap. I've been always saying every Ethereum that you're buying below the $2,000 is cheap Ethereum, and right now I should still be approaching it the same way here. These are the times that whales are accumulating, these are the times that the smart money is accumulating, and the weekends are going out of the market. So yeah, you can right now make the difference, in my opinion, to of course enter the market rather than exit the market. So looking forward towards already how this will be resulting, and we can clearly see on this chart how significant the price action here of Ethereum is, and how easy to maybe spot the price action as well and spot the next move here, because we can first see rising wedge, very clear bearish bias pattern, we break down here, and after that you create, of course, a falling wedge instead of a rising wedge, and this one is once again very likely to break it towards the upside. And personally, yeah, I do still think that we're going to see the price targets getting reached here. Although if we're not going to reach it, at least the $2,300 is the level that I will be approaching as my next accumulation zone. So guys, this was already it for today's video. Thank you so much once again for watching, and make sure to smash up the like if you haven't already. Make sure to hit that subscribe button as well to the channel if you haven't already. So yeah, with this out of the way, thank you guys so much for watching, and peace out. Goodbye.